Now children, in this video we will discuss about water.
Water. Water is a vital, renewable natural resource. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. That is why Earth is called watery planet or blue planet. 97% of water is present in ocean and sea, which is saline. Saline means containing salt and not fit for human consumption. Fresh water accounts only 2.7%. Nearly 70% of this occur as ice sheet and glacier in Antarctica, Greenland and mountain region. Only 1% of fresh water is available and fit for human use. It is found as groundwater as surface water in rivers and lakes. Hence, fresh water is most precious substance on earth. Nature renewed it through water cycle. Rain is the ultimate source of fresh water on earth. Now come to the next, water distribution. As we have discussed above, 90% of water on earth is saline, 3% of fresh water. Out of that 3% of fresh water, 2% is present in the form of ice cap, only 1% is usable water. Now see the map of India. This is the river map of India, shows the most Himalayan rivers, they are perennial rivers, and these main river like Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra and its tributary act as a lifeline of Indian economy. Then we have peninsular river like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. These are east flowing river. Narmada and Tapi are west flowing river. Now come to the next slide, that is ways to conserve fresh water. There are different ways through which we can conserve fresh water. The first is treating the sewage water, agricultural, chemical and industrial effluent suitable before releasing them into water. Can ensure that barren land should be covered with vegetation, because vegetation cover slow the surface run off and replenish the underground water. Rainwater harvesting is the best method to conserve fresh water and maintain underground water level. Using sprinkler and drip irrigation in irrigating the agriculture field also reduce water loss. Now children, in the next slide you can see rainwater harvesting method. Here you can see rainwater is collected through rooftop and diverted under the ground. These are the different ways through which we can conserve water. Use of sprinkler you can see in the first week and drip irrigation.
Now children, answer the following question. Question number 1. Name 2 ways to conserve water. Question number 2. What is rainwater harvesting? Question number 3. What is the percentage of fresh water on earth? Question number 4. Name 2 most polluted river of India. Question number 5. What is the average use of water per person per day in an urban area?